Oh, fuck the shit that we do. I gotta piss. Rockin'! I think we got a little problem. I think we got just a little problem. Just a little problem. Look at this shit. I'm down to my fucking waist, yo. I knew it. Should have gave it more gas going up or what? I fucking floored it, man. Oh yeah? Of course I'm still filming. How do you feel about yourself? Give her! I love this. Okay. Next point, take it out.